Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, December 28th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And basically, this is like having tomorrow's lottery numbers today, as this will be day 5 that this market just... Look, we're looking to gap higher again. We've had a price probe to the upside 5 days in a row. Now, right now, it's 75 minutes to go. It looks like they're trying to have it be accepted this morning, okay? All of us had price probes. Russell had the biggest one out of all of us. Remember, Russell's next destination is that next weekly high at 226 and change. Triple Qs, they have one destination left. That's going for their all-time high. For SPY and ES, the sky is the limit. SPY we have a new all-time high here now, pre-market. So once again, that becomes our target. As far as overnight highs and lows, 478.70 right now is the overnight high, 476.50 overnight low. Light volume so far, under 200,000. If we do gap higher, yesterday's high of 477.31 becomes your downside destination. I mean, the game plan is literally a blueprint from what yesterday was. If the gap's not that big, you can take a call play against it. If the gap fills, then it depends on what kind of heat you want to take. I mean, M's high is about 70 cents higher than J and K's high. So I don't know if you want to take that much heat. So if they fill the gap and don't get a responsive bounce, you get out. You can try again with a call play against the price, against the base of the price probe. If that fails, again, we had a 6-wide POC only. So that's not much of a deal. You have the afternoon pullback low in L, and then don't forget, we have 2 sets of single prints and the lowest accepted price. So there is a lot to lean on, but it depends on, each stop, when you want to take a call play if they get down to those levels. Remember, by that time, value will be at least unchanged by that point if it was to happen. As far as a short play, again, depending on what the overnight high is, you can probably take a small put play against that to see if they front run it. Above that, there's nothing. They're going to like these quote-unquote visual numbers of 480, right, in SPY. So we'll see if they go for that. But again, right now, buyers are firmly in control. With 4 days to go in the year, they would love to have an outside month up, which would be very bullish going into the new year. That's something that, considering how we've gotten away from last month's high by $5, they certainly would like to hold that. Again, there's 4 days to go. Anything can happen. This market is ridiculously stretched out. No doubt. From 451, from last week's low, to right now we're trading at almost 478, close to 479. So it is very stretched out. Does it mean it can't go high? Of course not. Obviously it can. But just remember, don't be surprised if you get a vicious liquidation break at some point to relieve a bunch of these weak longs. And then on the chart, I'm just going to show you the daily for now. So from December 20th, today's the 28th, when we went down to 451.14 to this morning, we're at almost 478.5, 478.5, 479 we're at. I mean, literally straight up. There really haven't been any pullbacks whatsoever in these last 5 trading days prior to today. Now, again, we're just coming out of balance on the monthly and weekly. So in the bigger picture, they're trying to really get going. But in the shorter time frame, which is the daily, it certainly would be healthy. I've been saying for days now after each update like this that it would be healthy to get some consolidation inside the previous day's range. They haven't done that once. Remains to be seen if they attempt to do it today. Good luck trading today. Have a great day. Thanks for liking and subscribing to the channel. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.